Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video I'm gonna open this box which I don't know what is inside it because one of my friend gifted this box. I'm thinking as per weight and all that it has some kind of crockery thing, so let's open and check it out. I'm gonna just tear this paper with the help of scissor. Yes, it is a kind of let's open it. It's written over here, set for 6, service 6 persons, and something in different language I believe. And these are French brand microwave dishwasher safe. So let's not wait for much and open it. This is how it actually looks like. I told you it looks like some crockery box, and it is. It has 13 pieces, festin, and it has some plates and bowl. So, and the brand is arcopal. So this is it. Now let's tear it up. It is looking pretty. Very pretty. I saw this from side. See how beautiful this is, isn't it? And they have, this is the serving one, and the 4 plates it has, beautiful white color plates, and 4 bowls. Nice. That's it. No, it's not finished yet. There are 4 more plates also. My goodness, so many plates. The small size plates. Yeah, now it's empty. So this is beautiful. 4. So thank you friends. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for more such videos. Till then, bye bye.
Thanks friends.